caught a spool in there.
We're finna get it on. Little G-body, little shuffle, whatever they call it, G-cars. Here we go, big slam in the left. Off wild on the right. Hang on, I found one of these crazy. What do you think?
Doing pretty good. How you doing? Trying to get it fixed.
Yeah, I got mine now. Well, I'll be out in a couple weeks. Suppose he tripped. The hog is wild.
Let it eat.
Let's go, Brandon. Hey, you know if Slim loses this race, it's gonna be an upset video, right?
It is.
Everybody's betting on Slim.
Oh, everybody betting on Slim. I got 100.
Well, you want this one?
I should have bet 2 now.
Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Want my 100 on it? I'm over here.
Okay, here comes. All right, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Big grudge race. End of the finals coming up. Hey. We got Milton in the left lane.
Hey, Joel got paid.
Hey, where you at, man? Where you at?
Damn.
Hey, if you're my homeboy. Boom! Boom! Yeah!
What's that? What's Johnny at?
Right here. Don't be running.
Damn, man. Oh, he did right. Dang.
You get your fuck ass with me now. You get with me. Stay with me. Fuck ass with me now.
They paid it off. They paid it off. They paid it off.
They fucked Slim up, man.
Damn, man.
Too much hog. It's hog season, bro. Ain't what I tell you.
Yeah.
It's hog season.
You got that bus like I had tonight.
Hey, man, the two Hey, I'm coming for him.
Fuck with Slim.
Man, shit.
Don't fuck with Slim.
Goddamn, man.
Don't fuck with Slim.
I be down here.
He ain't want to take it. He ain't have his balls with him. Don't tell me he ain't got his balls with him. Got some bullshit if they take that back down hit tonight.
No, he said I got
some
everything in
bullshit.
racing. Then they crawfish out for the bet. That's what he offered.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll be the back down hit tonight.
No, he offered me everything in racing. And then they
The back
crawfish.
tie, the hit, and the clear.
He can get the back down hit tonight for about a
The
thousand.
clear.
Nah.
Well, I tell you what we can do. Tell them to match weight. We run them head up.
What you mean, match weight?
Match weight, we'll run them head up. Head the fuck up then. All right then. Come on now.
All that match weight ass shit.
He gonna run on light car.
The man give you the back time hit. We going
We don't want it. We don't want it. We want head up. Match weight.
The head up.
Match
I
weight.
just gotta keep this track open right now to get dead on your ass. Back time hit. Back time hit. Back time hit.
Match weight.
We got a back weight. We giving y'all motherfuckers a back time hit. Scare ass niggas.
We want head up for that.
Niggas don't want
What the fuck we scared of? We want head up for that money. Yeah, we will. Damn. Yeah.
I got boned, goddamn, y'all.
Make the motherfucker crazy ass.
Ain't
I
holy
don't give a
shit.
damn if all y'all pack up in that
Give
motherfucker.
me the back time hit.
We don't want it. We want head up. Nah, we want head up for the same weight. Niggas just like you scratch dog. Yeah, like you scratch dog. Yeah. Match weight.
I want my own video.
We don't want
Man,
that. Match weight.
fuck.
Match weight.
Come on.
We gonna take care of Slim, man.
Y'all ain't gonna take her, Slim.
Told you, man. I told you, he bit off too much tonight, fuck with hog wild. It's hog season.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.